Hello, this is Sister with Ultra. Today I am going to show you an amazing burnishing pad. This burnishing pad is 12,000 grit. It's a diamond impregnated pad. It's great to break up the shine of your floors. This is the Ultra X diamond impregnated pad. Try it today. It can bring the shine up on your floors. Just let us know and we'll be very happy to demonstrate this pad to you. Resurrect the gloss of your floors with the Ultra X packaging.